I'm going to show you how I installed these yellow DRL LEDs on my F87 M2 competition, and it could not be easier. So first thing is the unboxing. You'll get them in a box with both of them, either just the modules themselves so you can put them on your heatsink, or pre-built like this. It costs a little more, but it's much easier and faster. They also have the gaskets and everything already done, so all you have to do is pull out the old one and plug in the new one. So this is what the modules look like. There's one for the left side, one for the right side. I got mine from bimmers.parts. I have a special discount with them, and you can check out that link below in the description. You'll need a T20 Torx screwdriver, and that's about it. So once you remove the 3 screws, you can unplug the harness by pushing on each flap and pulling, and the harness will just slip right out, and then plug it back into the new module that you received from bimmers.parts, and that's basically it. Just make sure you pull your battery, or especially you make sure your headlights are off before you do this so that you don't have any issues. And then you plug in the new one, you screw in the 3 T20 screws, and that's about it. Then you just turn on your lights or plug in your battery and then turn in your lights, and you're ready to go. So as soon as I did this, I want to test it out, and they were yellow. So even though you don't have to change the headlight itself, the light changes from white to yellow, and there are other colors available on the website as well, so that's pretty cool. This is what it looked like when I had just one side done, and then when I finished both sides, it took about less than 5 minutes and I was done. So you can see how much it changed the look of the car and how good it looks, and I'm really happy with it, and I've put a few photos on my Instagram, and it's been really well received. So I'm really happy with this look, style, and here are a few photos for you to enjoy yourself, and be sure to check them out in my link below. I think right now they have them for the F series and the G series, so check them out and let me know what you think.